All right. Started to post another video of this badass fucking machine. Look what else I brought. Aha, my Claymore. Another Kershaw. Boom. Monitor. This one's sick too. Wicked sharp. I got one more to show you. Aha, it's the launch 4. Aha. Kershaw night mixed with a Benchmade. This thing is razor sharp too. Look at that, it's almost so fast you can't even see it. Get another one on me too. Check this fucking thing out. It's my automatic utility knife. This thing is sick. It's got a little piece of leather on it. Damn it. Get on that. Back to this bad Larry. Really like this knife a lot.